What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning this amazing song by José González. What an amazing song. I love this. Intro. And then the verse goes something like this. Well, exactly like this. Just adding a little something there, but that's the basis of it. And then in the bridge he's got this funky thing going here. Let me just get my notes. It's going like this. So So let me just play that bridge part again, so it goes such the same. Oh, sorry. And this tuning like opens up a world of possibilities for you. It's so beautiful. Wow, beautiful tuning. Okay, so we're here to learn the song, And to learn it, I'm going to have to first do the tuning. Now the tuning is da B. Da B. Basically D-A-D-A. D-A-D-A-B-E. Now the way you do that is you tune this string to a D, this one to an A, this one to a D, this one to an A, so it's going to go up to an A, the G string. The B string stays as it is, thank goodness, and the E string stays as it is. So the only strings that are changing is your E string and your G string. The one goes to D, the other one goes down to or up to an A. Okay, and then capo on the second fret. The way he plays it live is, that's the live video that I saw. The live video has got a little bit of changing in the picking pattern, but we're going to go through that quickly. So these are my notes for this. The picking pattern goes like that in the intro. So just straight down using our C shape. Let me just show you the shapes quickly. So the first shape is a C shape D, but without the second finger, and just from the 5th string down. And then the second shape is a D/C sharp. And then it's a C. It's actually like a C major 7 sharp 11 thing. And then a B minor with a descending bass line. Okay, but anyway, we're going to get to the shapes when we walk through the song slowly. But that's the picking pattern, basically going like this. Oh, wait, that's the picking pattern. So down from the root note, just like this. And I play the first 2 notes with my thumb. I think it sounds closer to the original. I don't have a classical guitar capo, I've got a regular capo, so sometimes I just have to press it in the middle just to get it sounding nice. The second picking pattern is going to be the same as the first one, but the second part of it's going to be a little bit different. So it's going to sound like this. If I'm playing the D chord, that X, that one should actually be one string that way. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, but the picking pattern is like this. Oh, sorry. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna do it slowly with this hand so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright. Okay, so while we're in this view, let's go over the patterns quickly, alright? So we're gonna add this here, and I'm gonna show you quickly the first pattern, which is this. Okay, so we got the D coming for the intro. Play that again slowly. 4 and then C. And then the B minor. Then it starts again, but the first note is here. And then part B is the same, but with a high E string, okay? which is when he sings, he does this. So from the B minor, it's just normal picking pattern. Sometimes he does this. Oh wait. Oh wait. Da, 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 da. Now part C has got this thing going from the D. C, this shape, alternate shape, so 3 and 5. Okay, not so long on that, but anyway. And then this E going 7 and 9. And then it starts again with the main progression, but just a little bit differently. D, D says C sharp. Oh, that was bad. But anyway, you guys get the idea.